Hi everyone, my name is Anthony Nocentino, Enterprise Architect and founder of Centino Systems. Welcome to my course, Designing a Site Recovery Strategy on Microsoft Azure. Are you a systems administrator or architect that needs to design a disaster recovery or business continuity strategy for your organization? If so, then this is the course for you. In this course, we'll take a look at the design considerations you should keep in mind when planning to deploy Azure Site Recovery. To get started, we'll look at defining your site recovery goals, and we'll explore the basics of the site recovery service, and then we'll look at the various options you have when it comes to protecting Azure, VMware, and Hyper-V virtual machines, as well as physical servers. Next, we'll move on to designing your site recovery infrastructure, where you'll learn about the components that you need to deploy in order to enable site recovery for your own organization. Throughout the rest of the course, we'll take a look at the various operating systems and workloads that you can replicate and migrate to Azure using the site recovery service. And then we'll dive into the considerations that you need to keep in mind when it comes to designing a site recovery failover strategy with Microsoft Azure. And so if you're brand new to Azure Site Recovery and you need to get started designing your own disaster recovery and business continuity strategy with Microsoft Azure, then this is the course for you. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with core Azure concepts like resource groups, Azure networking, and virtual machine deployment. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to design and implement a disaster recovery and business continuity strategy in Azure in the course, Designing a Site Recovery Strategy on Microsoft Azure, here at Pluralsight.